If you are a fan of GoPro, I just found here a GoPro shop store here in Taichung. I don't have GoPro, but I have a SJ cam. I never used, to be honest. You remember one of my videos, I found an SJ cam in a beach in the, where was it? Penhu Island. And they have many accessories here. So this is the GoPro, the 7. And this is the 9. The 9 is a little bit bigger and heavier. Yeah. And this is the 8. 8 and 7 is the same size actually. And there are many accessories like the tripods here, as you can see. This self stick. This is for car holder. This is for head. This is for your chest. There are some cases and covers like this. And covers, cases, like waterproof case. And there's a flash here. And this is for, well, for everything. Like this self stick, you can hold here, and you can also hold here. This is for like a table, and this, yeah. Oh, now this you can use in your head, in your cap. There are some others here. Let me ask the prices here. 请问那个 GoPro 9多少钱？
目前的话，台币是16800。
台币
16800。
16800。
16800。
how much?
16,800.
It's more than 550 US dollar.
Maybe, yes.
Yeah. What about the Hero? I mean the GoPro 8?
GoPro 8 is 14,500.
It's
about
400, almost 500 US dollar.
Yes.
Less than 500, like
maybe 400.
490,
Yes.
around 400. And what about the GoPro 7?
GoPro 7 is 10,500.
8,500.
10,000.
10,500 is less than 400 US dollars, so it's
about 300. Yes, about 300.
300
or 350.
350. Yeah, 360. 360 or 370 US dollar. Okay, here in Taichung, near. Is there any reference here?
Chimay Park.
Chimay Park. Is this park here?
Yes.
Below, behind me. Okay. So this park, just in front of me, is the Chimay Park. It's a central area of Taichung near Sogo.
Yes, near Sogo.
Yeah. And they also have this accessory for
pet dog.
for your pet.
Model dog, yes, and its name is Afu.
Interesting. Uh-huh. Okay. Thank you for watching. Interesting. Please subscribe and thumbs up. Não se esqueça de se inscrever e deixar o like. Obrigado. 请订阅和按赞。チャンネル登録といいねお願いします。Suscríbete y dale me gusta, porfa. Iscriviti e lascia mi piace, per favore.